Yeah, man. I mean, dog. You see, you see where I talk about, man. You got dance later. I would have forward, see no dog, but I have no money for forward, you see me? And that I think I would have forward still, but yo, easy yourself. Wait, watch out. Now show up my father. And dig off my money and fight. I run 5 years now, I call him silly, so I feel like it's zero, but I show it him, you see me? Ah.
Wake up in the sleep for us.
Hello? Yo, daddy, what going? You good? Where you beg me now? No, man, I'm not begging now. I'm not begging now. I'm just a short clip to see if you could see me. And they are easy. I'm mind run by just dreams like in the hospital. And I said, no, man, I have to show you and make sure you everything up. No, man, no, it's hospital, man. I'm there, man. Oh, until I just wake up, you know. Tired, that's the man. Yeah, man. Yo, your phone a break up. Talk out there in your phone. No, brother. I know my phone. My phone. Your phone a break up, Jake. Your phone, yeah. Phone about my phone and pick up. It's iPhone 15 me having a dog. Yeah, tell me about the iPhone 16 year brother. It's a S30 me I use, brother. Your phone. See them look on the signal bar, it has a search and the amount of signal you have to give now which one is pick up. I said that. So I'm daddy, what's on big and serious? Is that money me have again daddy? But Lord, I tell you the whole time you call me and when you bum buckle and something to beg me, yo. You want money for that? Yeah man, me in an accident a month away, you see me? My foot broke, my toenail broke, my fingernail broke, my ears broke. Me and my girl all break up.
Blood clot, yo.
They come like God, I walk by you. Then I kitchen this morning and all the cup broke. Yeah man, every part of my broke. You look out of my pocket and it have all the whole night my pocket broke. Never know some pants pocket could have broke so that. Shano, my son, sorry for hearing that boy. So I just thought alone happened to you, tell me everything has happened to you right now. Daddy right now, I string up. I'm too into why them have me under. Right, if you look back, I think we can't show you. And them say no video call, if you look at me, I be able to say daddy. Be able to string up. I don't know what could I do, daddy around 5 years now, I don't eat a good plate of food. I water me a drink. I want to save my mother. No matter if I make you get some money. Yeah man, I'm going to send you $750. Right now. When you say I'm going to send it right now? Yes, daddy, send it now, daddy. Me walk come feed, daddy. Where you live again? Me walk come at town for money, daddy. Are you serious? Son, oh you say you can't walk and you walk for money? No, I can't walk, but like our money, I can me walk feet, daddy. I can follow them come feet, daddy. Probably, do you? Tell me when you reach. For sure, I'm serious, you see, daddy. I want to say, I look through the window and I see around 20 security at the gate. I know through me meeting an accident again and my 2 foot broke and toenail broke up. Me a walk past them, every man a step aside like me a king. Me just walk past them. Alright, so my son, take care. Take time walk on the foot here, because I don't want nothing to do, you know. Take your time. Yes, people, good day. You know, you buy better boss. When you're alone, you just link up and get a laugh. Bring a cup and get a floss. Yeah, man, me asking if you just leave a like on the video. Leave a comment, subscribe if you haven't, share. Follow me on Instagram, the link will be in the description. You see me, just, yeah man, I'm the same boy. More videos coming. You see me, DM me on Instagram if possible.
Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely.